Assalamu alaikum students, this is your teacher Miss Fatma Islam from class Nursery in English Oral. Today we will learn A to Z recognition of sounds with their given pictures. Now look at this chart very carefully. We have a sound and its picture. Okay, starting from A apple, butterfly, caterpillar, the dog. Everyone repeat after me. Eh, elephant, fish, grapes, her heart, igloo, jar, kite. Everyone please repeat after me. Lion, mouse, nail, o octopus, pumpkin, quack, rainbow, sun, turtle, a umbrella, vacuum, watermelon, x xylophone, yarn, z zebra. Hope you have understand and hope you will learn this and enjoy this. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.